Are you a local or did you come to Canada recently?
So we recently just moved to Toronto last year.
And so what is one of the things that you found most difficult about your move?
I think in Toronto, since you live in downtown, like everyone's like pretty young and there's like a lot of people coming in and out. It's pretty easy to make friends, but I think it's harder to make like more genuine connections.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that was actually one of my questions because I find that a lot of people that are moving, they ask that question is like, where can I meet people? Right? Because it's hard to meet new people in a new city.
Yeah.
So did you find any places or is there any tips that you could give people who are also moving?
I think honestly just find like your hobbies that you like to do.
Yes.
And then through that you can probably find people who have similar hobbies to you, right? And I think that's probably one of the easiest ways to make friends.
Yes, for sure. And then the last question is, so what neighborhood did you choose? Or is there a neighborhood that sticked out to you in Toronto? Because there's people who are looking at the neighborhoods and want to see like, what did you find is your favorite neighborhood so far?
I currently live right now in City Place, so that's kind of near the well.
Yes, yeah.
I think it's pretty nice because it's kind of like on the edge of Toronto, downtown, so you're still in downtown, but you're not necessarily in the middle of like all the rowdiness. I guess it really depends on what you're looking for. If you want to be like in the middle of it, like you want to be always with people too and having like a lively thing, entertainment district's pretty nice. But also if you want something that's a little more quiet, I feel like Liberty Village is also like a really, really nice area.
So you like the area that you chose?
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
Okay, awesome. So are you new to Toronto or have you lived here all your life?
Yeah, I just moved to Toronto for like the first couple months.
Oh, for a few months. And where did you move from?
I'm moving from China.
China, nice. And so when you moved here, what was the hardest thing for you found, like making that move?
I think it's about like language barrier because this is not my native language. So
wow, your English is very good.
Yeah, thank you so much. So I tried my best to, make connections and make friends and try to get to the culture here. So that I think that's the hardest part for like immigration.
I was actually going to ask that question because a lot of people, when they're moving here, it's hard to find and meet friends and meet new people in the city. So do you have any advice for people who are trying to meet new people?
I think like for those people who are not like English is not your first language, just try to be confident. As long as you don't speak like English fluently, I think you can still make friends.
What neighborhood did you end up choosing? Do you like it?
I used to live in North York, but I moved to downtown recently.
Oh, do you like downtown?
So far, it's good. Like everything is so convenient.
Yes.
You got like restaurants and like stores, grocery stores, and clothing, shopping. But like, I think it's too a little
busy?
bit too busy. Like every day, like even it's midnight, I hear the ambulance and the fires every day, like every night.
So which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the north, where it's more quiet, or downtown?
I'm thinking to move to another area actually.
Okay.
I prefer
what area
a quiet.
Are you thinking?
Maybe Markham. I'm not sure yet, because like some of my friends are there, so I'm thinking about to relocate. Yeah.
Are you guys locals or new to Toronto or just visiting?
We're from like Vaughan area.
Okay. Do you like it? Is that an area that you guys enjoy, or is there an area that you would prefer to move to?
It's good. It's kind of quiet. I would love to like move to the city.
Okay, so you are interested in like downtown specifically, or what area in Toronto?
Like front and Spadina, like the Well area.
Oh, okay, nice. How about yourself? Is that an area that you'd be interested in, or something else?
I feel like I like the quiet. And
So do you enjoy where you're at?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Since you're interested in Toronto, I have a question about Toronto. What would you say is your favorite neighborhood and like least favorite?
I don't really know the neighborhoods that well. I like Bay, like the finance neighborhood, and like near the water is really nice. But I don't really know any of the areas that I don't like.
Local. I used to live an hour away. So now I live downtown. Been here for 2 years.
Okay, what neighborhood were you from originally?
Stouffville.
Stouffville, okay, so not far.
Yeah.
So in terms of Toronto, where do you live now? Like what area?
I live like University of Dundas, right financial district.
Okay. And do you like it?
I love it.
Your favorite and worst neighborhood in Toronto?
I don't know about worst. I do love where I live, but my favorite neighborhood would be like Ossington and Queen area.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Lots to do, lots of restaurants, cafes.
Yes, for sure. And then the last question, because you mentioned the suburbs. Is there a favorite suburb of Toronto and not so favorite suburb of Toronto?
Again, I loved Stouffville so much. I mean, it was a small town when I moved there, so now it's developed quite a bit. I don't know about not so favorite. I think it depends on who you are.
Yeah.
I currently live in downtown, like Toronto West.
Oh, okay.
It's like Queen West area.
Is it the same one that you grew up in? Or?
No, I grew up in the suburbs.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thanks. So do you like that area that you currently live in?
I love it. It's the best. I mean, It's so alive. Like Washington and Dundas area is just so alive every day of the week.
What's your favorite neighborhood in Toronto? What's your least favorite?
I mean, there's so many I love. I love Yorkville. I love downtown Toronto West area. There's just so much to do, and it's always an adventure.
Yeah.
I'm someone that likes to go out alone a lot.
Okay.
So I find if I like saddle up at a bar with a book and a cocktail, it's so easy to meet people in the city.
Yeah, a lot of people think here it's hard to meet new people when you're new to a city. And so they're always looking for advice on how to meet new people. So how would you say it's like an easy way in Toronto to meet people?
The best way to meet people in Toronto is just by doing what you like to do. If you're open to conversation, you're not walking around with AirPods on or staring at your phone. You see there's so many people around you to strike up a conversation with. So like I said, for me, I love to settle up at the bar with a book because I like to be alone, but also have a person out at my house. But if your thing is yoga or you're super into wellness, going to a yoga class, going wherever you would normally go anyways, you're not putting yourself out, but then being open for connection.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well,